And Netflix, in fact, has been sued by a local broadband provider demanding compensation for the costs of that heavy traffic, and the issue has attracted the attention of lawmakers, too. Today, the vice president of public policy at Netflix, Dean Garfield, met with officials in Seoul to try and resolve the issue of network costs more broadly. Those officials include the chairman of the National Assembly's Committee on Broadcasting and Communications. The company suing Netflix is SK Broadband. Garfield said Netflix is looking at ways to pay for the costs, including alternatives such as technical cooperation.